Welcome to my channel. Today's video is on traditional ways to use Tulsi for respiratory relief. First way, Tulsi steam inhalation. For this, boil a handful of Tulsi leaves in water. Inhale the steam for a few minutes. This helps to loosen mucus and soothe a cough. The second way is Tulsi Kashayam. For this, boil Tulsi leaves in water for 20 to 30 minutes until the water reduces to half its volume. Strain the decoction and serve it warm with honey. The third way is Tulsi ginger gargle. For this, boil tulsi leaves and ginger together in water. Allow it to cool and then use it as a gargle to soothe a sore throat. My next video will be on the topic traditional method of using tulsi for digestive problems. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.